Through lo storyan blo island where you been got sometimes blo you talk around lo kata ting motu lo documentary where you come out lo how onar la villages around lo evate especially kata lo narasite motu all communities around lo eretap how all tap with them all changes where we stop all live la farming techniques where we start. I think se mi kutumas mi want something where mi mas karem mi kami sai pagan lo community lo help them life lo all people inside lo community for mi save development blo mi kerap mi mas abena inside lo crown. So also my secretary mo to president lead inside lo this community Mr. Confirm mo talamat semi katon small place bla located blo project mi save kerablem small place mi blo mi save all people save come together all save capture mo mi also one place blo mi give him out awareness igolo larla people lo all new la farming techniques blo help them all katalem mo to mi want something we mi stop ask him strong support lo katalo agriculture motulo climate change blo save coming to blo save assist all people inside the community lo through the workshop mo awareness blo save give him out information igolo kita lo help him lo kata lo time when mistakan
mi lo workshop ya sem emilane mi fala se yumi mas work together mi mas megem look out em kut crown blo yumi sabe planem kakai blo yumi blo elbem life blo yumi mo all pingini blo yumi lo future won bay mi kam plante mi play salam crown bel small crown won mi play cat mi play say make use hem to one when mi play bin look lo katalo sample katalo andap lo teuma fil limegem small crown be hem in a ways mi play sabe doing something hem planem all plan be mi play hem